Hey guys, so fitness vlog week 5. All right, so let's get into it. Week 5 has been I slated week 5 as a kind of deloading, kind of recovery type week. Okay, I like kind of doing that just because I go really heavy, or I previously in my previous weight loss journeys, I go really heavy for about a month and a half, and then I do a recovery week where I do kind of lighter weights, kind of combination type exercises, include more aerobic type exercises into my lifting, so your mountain climbers, high knees, that kind of stuff. And then I do a lot of ab work. All right, so this week I'll have the blog post with my workouts linked below, so you can kind of see what I did, exactly what I did, versus, you know, watching it on the screen or whatnot. Let me go ahead and get that. Let's get it switched up. All right. So this week I approached it as a recovery week. Okay. So that meant that my workouts, I wasn't doing heavy bar work. I wasn't doing heavy, you know, push pull motions, that kind of stuff. I still hit my cardio same hard. But for some reason, and I think it's a mental thing, if I don't feel like I'm about to die while I'm working out, I don't feel as if I did anything, right? So the workouts that I did weren't heavy. They weren't heavy kind of lifting type things, but I still did. I still feel like I got good workouts, but they weren't great, if that makes sense. Like, this is the first week where I felt like I was kind of slacking, like during my workouts, not actually getting done, but kind of the intensity, that's what it is. The intensity was way down this week. And of course it is my deloading week. So that's to be, that's to be expected. But it was just weird. It was just really weird to kind of feel that. It was just weird, right? So yeah, but the workouts got done, the weights got done. I just did 2 workouts. So I did one workout on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then I did so that was my lower body, and then I did an upper body and workout on Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so I still did my 5 days. Like I said, I included a lot of ab work. I did regular crunches with my knees up, and then bicycle crunches, and then just 100 regular crunches each day. Okay, so that was my deloading week. Like I said, the intensity was way down. That kind of messed with me mentally, but I still burned I think 4,100 calories this week. Let's get into it and let's see. Okay, I still burned, 4,100 calories. This is as of this morning. Okay, as far as cardio, I did 1, 2, 3. What is that? That's not. I did 3 cardio sessions, 4 cardio sessions, and I did 4 cardio sessions, and in that included one 45-minute Tabata and one 60-minute metrics ride, which had some intervals in it and a climb in it, spinning, of course. No other kind of cardio, just spin bike using Peloton. Okay. And so that was my cardio for the week. All in all, the week was fine. I think I'm starting to feel stuck. As far as what I did this week measurement wise, I'm pretty much the same, not a lot of movement, and I'm starting to feel stuck, which this is usually where I'm kind of like, forget it and let me go eat a pizza, right? So this week I lost two 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, and 1 pound. So, blah. And like, I know, it takes time and yada, yada, yada. But you know, you get to a place where you start to get frustrated because you are literally busting your ass every day, day in, day out, workout in, workout out. And you're stuck, right? So, trying to keep focused. I'm trying to keep focused and know that I didn't gain this weight in a day, although it seems like I gained this weight overnight. I didn't actually gain the weight overnight, and that it's going to take me longer to take it off than it did to put it on. And I'm laughing because I'm so frustrated. I'm so frustrated. Like, my diet was pretty much spot on again. As far as, you know, I'm still in ketosis. I did have a burger yesterday and I put some ketchup on it. So, yeah, you know, my carbs were a little bit extra today, but, or yesterday. But overall for the week, hang on, let me put today's food in. So, overall for the week, oh, how can I do this? There we go. Excuse me. So overall for the week, I am sitting at an average of 89 grams of protein a day, an average of 11 carbs per day, and an average of 111 grams of fat per day, okay? So that gets me around 72% fat, 25% protein, and 3% carbs. So I think I want to, this week going forward, I'm going to start lifting heavy again, okay? I'm going to get back into my heavy lifts, heavy leg days, heavy arm days. I am going to include more core work, some more planks, that kind of stuff. I did kind of going into, or having it this week made me realize that that is something that I kind of need to incorporate more often. So I'm going to put that into my program this week. And I'll probably tack it on to my upper body days, just because leg days typically take me a very long time. So me doing them in the morning and trying to get my workouts done, my cardio done in the morning also, will probably be an issue. Okay. So so what am I saying? Guys, I'm all over the place today. So yeah, so as far as food is concerned this coming week, I think I want to cut my calories. Right, like I said, I'm sitting anywhere from 15 to 1700. I don't really trip if I go over, you know, 1500. 1500 is where I want to be as far as calories, but I'm typically sitting closer to, does it give me a, oh, it will. So, what is that? Did I track my food this week? So it says that I ate an average of 800 calories a day, but I'm not sure that I tracked my food properly because Thursday. I guess I did. So, as far as my food is concerned, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, guys. So, like, last week, Sunday, I ate over my calories. Monday, it only has me at 400 calories, which I know can't be right. It can't be right. And then Thursday, Saturday. What is that? Oh, you know what this is? So I don't have the premium. Okay, there we go. Golly, I don't have the premium MyFitnessPal because I don't want to pay for it. So I averaged 1,424 calories a day. All right, that's what we're trying to get to here. I averaged 1,424 calories a day, which is way under my goal. Well, not way under, it's under my 1,500 calories. So I don't know, guys. I'm feeling stuck, and when I feel stuck, either I give up or I do something drastic. So I don't know right now. I get that, you know, my body needs to kind of reacclimate, I guess, or whatever. And granted, I have lost 11 pounds. So that's great. I've lost 11 pounds, like almost 20 inches. So that's cool. But there's just something I feel like I should be further than I actually am. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start including fasting in my eating plans. Okay, so I think I'm going to do at least one 24-hour fast per week, and honestly I'll probably do that on Sunday. So tomorrow I'll probably do my fast and just include that for the week to kind of give my body a reboot. Okay, and where I get this information from, I'll link the book below, but it was, I think I talked about it in my favorites a while ago, but The Complete Guide to Fasting by Dr. Jason Fung, I want to say, and one other person, but he's done major research on the benefits of including fasting, whether it's intermittent fasting, which I currently do now. My eating window is from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. and then, you know, minus fat. So I'll have a bulletproof coffee in the morning because y'all know I'm up at 3 o'clock. So I have to have some kind of nourishment in the morning. So I have some fat, which is butter. But what you call it? But the that book basically gives you a guide to different types of fasting and how you can fast. So I will be including that and seeing if that kind of does something to help, just help. Okay, so I'll report back next week, and yeah, that's it. It's a pretty short week. I'm getting frustrated. I'm just getting frustrated, and I'm trying to hold on to the reason why I'm doing this weight loss thing and why I want to lose weight. And I'll do a blog post about it, but it's deeper than I want to look good. I mean, I want to look good. We all want to look good. But I want to be healthy. I don't want to grow old and have to struggle through stuff. I don't want to be sick. You know, I don't want to be 40 and die of a heart attack. I don't want to do that type of stuff, right? So I'm holding on to that and pushing through. Okay? So, all right, guys. How was your week 5 or your week this week of going through this whole weight loss thing? Hopefully it was better than mine. Put it down in the comments because I need some joy in this weight loss thing, okay? So, all right, guys, any questions, comments, anything like that, go ahead and drop them in the comments, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.